Do people seriously eat turkey and gravy when it isn't the holidays? Can't wait to bite into this soggy bread nightmare. This one sits at the back of your freezer just waiting for you to run out of ramen. Is that a brownie or a small loaf of squaw bread? Tastes just like the Thanksgiving dinner you were divorced and used to make. Ice cold chicken chunks in the middle, burnt on the top. What you bring to a funeral to console a friend that you don't really like very much. Isn't it easier to just make normal mac and cheese out of a box? Get ready to poop your pants later.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.